Hello guys, I'm Bram from Belgian Homebrew, and this is a video about making apple cider. As you can see, I've got all my equipment here and some other stuff I need to clean. I've got my airlock, my plug, my sanitizer, my package of yeast, my sugar, dextrose. I hope you can see this. Sure, right. A glass for drinking the apple juice and measuring with my hydrometer. It's now in the protective case. Let's take it out. My hydrometer. What I've got here? My jug, where I'm gonna put my cider in. And of course, my bottles of apple juice. They're in hot water right now to make them a bit warmer because they're cold and I have to do it on room temperature, I mean. Then my primitive camera setup, and I'm gonna clean all this stuff, the dishwasher, and sanitize my equipment. I'm back. I've sanitized all my equipment. The first thing I'm going to do is pour in my apple juice, because I'll open it up now. All smells good. Bit for me. And the rest I'm going to pour into my jug. I put all my apple juice in my jug, like you can see here. It's not full, it's 5 liters. For the liter one, I've only used 3 liters. Now, the sugar, or maybe the hydrometer test. Put some of this shit in here. Let's get my hydrometer. I'm using a glass because I don't have a tube yet, so bit primitive, don't care. Just pour it in there. Bloody hell. So, it seems my glass is too small. Let's get me another one. So, I've got a bigger glass with this thing, and what does it say? It's about that is 1.042. It's about the strength of a beer right now. I'm gonna put it back and add some sugar. Of me being Belgian, some people say 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of sugar. I don't know. I don't know what a cup of sugar is. How big the volume is, how many grams it is. So I'm gonna guess. I'm using dextrose. It's better than corn sugar. It says on the back about 20% more than table sugar. It's much finer. Tastes good. Tastes good. This is use. It's a bit wet, so it's up on. And give it a good shake. Now I'm shaking because I need to dissolve all the sugar, and after that I'm doing about 1.06. What is another cup of sugar. So this is about 2 cups of sugar, about half kilogram of dextrose. 1.08. That's about almost 9 degrees, I think. I hope it is, but it smells good. No, I think so. So we let it out. Now it's time to add the yeast. I'm using a Brewferm yeast. Brewferm is a very popular project in Belgium for home brewing. You also can get it in Australia, Middle East, Canada, of course. For some of you, US, I don't know. So let's put the yeast. I don't know. That's all the yeast in there. I'm gonna shake it for a good 30 seconds now. Then I'll let it sit and give it another shake. So everything's over. I'm gonna put in my airlock now. This is my airlock. It's this. And the plug for it. So here we go. So everything's done. My airlock is fitted, everything, the yeast, everything. Only I have to set it on room temperature for about a week. Maybe I'll edit my video now or when it's done. So this is it. My airlock, you can see, snake model, my plug, my 5-liter barrel, and you can see it's airtight. If I push on the barrel, and you can see that moving. You see it?